I searched through communities, talked to experts, and read real-life cases to tell you what nobody usually mentions about the 2008 to 2017 Ford Fiesta. These are the issues that come up the most. One of the most frequent problems with the Ford Fiesta during these years is the power shift automatic transmission. If you check forums like Reddit or reviews on Edmunds, you'll find comments like, "My car jerks when starting," or "It feels like it slips between gears." Some even say it feels like the car is about to stall. The main cause is the design of the dry dual-clutch transmission, which was supposed to be more efficient, but turned out to be a major headache. As one mechanic from California said in a popular video, that system should have never hit the market without more testing. Ford received so many complaints that they issued multiple technical service bulletins and even extended the warranty on some models. If you're not covered by that extension, the usual fix is replacing the TCM module, or even the clutches, which can get expensive if you're out of warranty. Some owners go for temporary reprogramming, but that's not a permanent solution. Another common issue is with the electric power steering, EPS. Many users report that the steering wheel suddenly becomes stiff, or a warning light pops up on the dashboard and they lose assistance. One owner shared, "I was turning in the middle of the city and suddenly the steering wheel felt like a rock. It was dangerous." This issue is especially seen in mid-generation models like 2012 to 2014. The root cause is usually in the steering motor or the EPS control module. In some countries, there were recall campaigns for certain VINs, but it wasn't global or consistent. The repair often involves replacing the entire steering column or the module, which can cost anywhere from $800 to $1,500 depending on where you live. Some mechanics mention that in certain cases, it can be resolved with a software update or checking the connectors, but it's not always that simple. It's also very common to see complaints about the cooling system, especially related to coolant leaks. In several forums, owners report that the coolant level keeps dropping or the engine overheats without a clear explanation. One user on a Ford forum said, "I've refilled the coolant 3 times and still can't find where it's going." Mechanics often point to invisible leaks in the thermostat, the plastic housing, or even the radiator, which in some models is quite fragile. On top of that, there have been reports that the temperature sensor sometimes gives false readings and doesn't alert you when the engine is overheating. In many cases, a pressure test on the system is recommended to locate the exact leak, and it often ends up requiring a hose replacement or a new thermostat assembly. The brand didn't issue an official recall for this, but there are technical bulletins in some countries outlining partial fixes.